Most people want to sing better, but they keep skipping the boring stuff like breathing and daily warm-ups. Guess what? That's exactly why they don't improve. Today I'll show you how to fix that fast. Hello, my name is Andre.mik, I am a professional singer with a classical background, and on this channel you will find easy to follow tips, vocal exercises and singing secrets which will take your singing to the next level. Hit subscribe and bell so you never miss new videos and your chance to sing better. Let's go! Discipline and plan. If you want to improve your singing, you need a discipline. You need a plan and you actually have to follow it. Yeah, shocking, right? Improvement doesn't come from singing in the shower once a week. So here's the plan, step by step. Breathing. Your breath is your fuel. If you sing without controlling your breath, it's like trying to drive a car without gas. You need to let your air flow between your vocal cords. Try singing vocal warm-ups, but start each vowel with a little h sound. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Like ha, 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 ha. Like this. It keeps your breath moving freely. Now let's talk about support, your best friend in singing. To feel it, close your mouth and blow the air out hard. Feel those lower belly muscles pull in? That's your breath support. When you sing, use those same muscles, gently like controlled pressure from the lower abs. Relax between phrases. Use less support for lower notes and more for higher ones. If you want to dive deeper into breathing, check this video here, or you can also find the link in the description. Vocal exercises. Now that you've got the breath, let's make your voice stronger and increase your vocal range. Sing vocal exercises every day before you sing songs. Yes, every day. Even if it feels strange at first, that's totally fine. Start with your comfortable range, from your lowest easy note to your highest easy note. Stay there for a while, then slowly expand your range half a tone up and down. Sing in this new range until it feels comfortable. Then expand again by another half tone and sing there until it feels easy. Repeat this process over and over and your range will grow naturally with time. If you want to check more vocal warm-ups, check this video here, or you can also find a link in the description. Releasing tension. Most likely you'll feel difficulty somewhere, maybe on the higher notes or in another part of your voice. That's usually because of tension in your body. Tension is your worst enemy in singing. The usual areas are your jaw, tongue, neck, solar plexus, and even your face muscles. Let's fix that. Try to open your jaw and say ma ma ma. Ma 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 ma. And not like ma 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 ma. You need to feel your jaw always open here. Not. Drop your jaw and let it hang freely. Try small circular movements. Relax, don't force it. Like this. Tongue. Stick it out as far as you can. Pull your tongue to the left, right and down and hold it for a few seconds like this. Let me see. You look weird. You'll feel tension in your tongue and maybe here. That's normal. Do this several times. Try saying la 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 while keeping your jaw relaxed. Open it and say la 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 la. Not like la 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 la. La 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 la. Neck. Open your mouth. Stick your tongue out again like we did before and tilt your head slowly left and right. It's important not to move your shoulders. You may feel some tension here or here, and that's normal. Just keep going and do several times this exercise. One day you will feel less tension in your neck. Solar plexus. During singing, your solar plexus can be a bit firm, especially on high notes, but it should not become tight. Message with your fingers under your ribs. Your fingers should go deeply under the ribs. At first you might feel strong discomfort, but over time it will disappear. Facial muscles. Your face shouldn't look like you are trying to lift a truck while singing. If your face tenses up, your sound will do the same. Keep it relaxed and natural, like you are telling a story, not solving math problems. Love me tender, love me sweet. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. Musicality and energy. Now this one is huge, and most singers ignore it completely. Even if your technique is perfect, if your singing has no musicality or emotions, it will still sound like a student. On the other hand, even if you have no technique, not a very beautiful voice, but you sing with passion, musicality and energy, it will sound great. I've seen it countless times. Students chase perfect notes, high notes, low notes, pure vowels, but forget to make it music. When they finally understand how to sing a phrase, not just a note, everything changes instantly. The voice suddenly sounds alive, expressive, confident. Here's an example. First I will sing only using technique without expression. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. And now I will not think about technique, I will think only about expressions. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my life complete, and I love you so. So please, don't sing with your voice. I know it sounds strange. Sing with your heart. It's more important than your voice. So, to sum it up, breathe right and support with your lower abs. Warm-ups every day. Remove tension. And sing with energy and emotions. That's your formula. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell to get notifications about new videos, not to miss your chance to sing better. I'm Andre.mik, thank you for watching, see you in the next videos. Bye!